You are so alien, bud.
Northeastern Colorado, southeastern Boulder County in northeastern Colorado until 9:00 p.m. At 8:32 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm. Or along a line extending from 17 miles south of Greeley to 13 miles northwest of Denver, moving south at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Denver, northwestern Aurora, Thornton, southeastern Arvada, Westminster, Broomfield, Commerce City, North Glen, Brighton, Lafayette, Louisville, Erie,
Holy
Federal
shit,
Heights,
this is a
Firestone, Denver
big
International
warning.
Airport, DIA Terminal and Concourses, Frederick, Fort Lupton, Lac Bowie, and Dacono. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Holy shit, that's massive.
Flood advisory in effect until 10.
Ever any truth to it?
Holy shit, those are some long EOMs.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Weld County in northeastern Colorado, Broomfield County in northeastern
That is
Colorado,
massive.
Denver County in northeastern Colorado, northeastern Jefferson County, western Adams County in northeastern Colorado, southeastern Boulder County in northeastern Colorado until 9:00 p.m. At 8:32 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southeast of Platteville to Westminster, or along a line extending from 17 miles south of Greeley to 13 miles northwest of Denver, moving south at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Denver, northwestern Aurora, Thornton, southeastern Arvada, Westminster, Broomfield, Commerce City, North Glen, Brighton, Lafayette, Louisville, Erie, Federal Heights, Firestone, Denver International Airport, DIA Terminal and Concourses, Frederick, Fort Lupton, Lac Bowie, and Dacono. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Which is that the Biden administration has been more aggressive in regulating technology. It has been